Welcome to Dar El Lamma. Let's go and take a look around. Some of the gardens. Guard dog, I assume. Hey dog. This guy. What kind of dog are you? You got citrus orchard on the drive-in on both sides. Oh wow. So this is the main house. The Africa themed room. Beautiful. Got actual zebra for a carpet there. I've got the hammam in the main house. Wow. Outside terrace area, looking out over the garden. The sweet Blanche, twin beds. The views outside. Oh, let's go through that one. Oh, very cool. That is a big bathtub. Massive waterfall shower. Walk-in closet / baby storage. This is good. And then the main bedroom, which is massive. This is the main pool outside the main building. Shaded area, random cat, and we've got a jacuzzi over there as well, I think. Yep, jacuzzi. Cat. And that terrace over there is where you have your breakfast. So that's heading into the private villa with its own pool. There's the pool. Here's our door. Right, let's head in. This is our living room area, I suppose. We wander around into the kitchen. We've got a full kitchen here, including fridge freezer around the back of the door there. And then if we come back through, our bedroom is just back here. Here's the bedroom, complete with awesome Versace-esque pillow. And then into the ensuite. We've got a shower there. This is a lot of space. I get the feeling there's another bedroom, although the door's locked because there's only two of us staying. I guess this is another bedroom if you're bringing kids or other people. So yeah. Right, let's go outside and check out our private pool. Come down the steps. There it is. And we've got a barbecue area as well. Oh, 2 barbecues, even better. Look at that. Check some good stuff on that. And outdoor seating. Citrus plants. These ones look like you could actually eat these. What's this? Like tangerines. And then that's the entrance just there where the car's parked. Off we go for dinner. The usual starters, harissa, tuna, aubergine, and flatbread.
Mashwaya.
Give me mashwaya. What's this called?
Dar Doigt de Fatima.
Doigt de Fatima. Delicious. I think we've accidentally ordered 4 main courses because there's the lamb. It's pretty big, and we also ordered fish. So it's going to be an interesting meal. Now we're on to the fish course that we accidentally ordered because, yep, we've ended up with a fish each. So we're basically eating 4 main courses over the duration of this meal. That looks quite good though. What kind of fish are you? Deep shame. We ate 4 main courses. Oh dear. There was a lot of fish and a lot of lamb. And here is our dessert we were given to take to our rooms. This is breakfast in our cabana thing. Delicious. Oh, there's so much food here. Wow, that looks amazing. Time to eat.